Welcome the our channel. Today we how to use Airtable views for data visualization, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Airtable base and navigate to the table you want to visualize. Locate the views section on the left side of your screen. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the current view name. Choose Create a View to start a new view. You will see several view options, including Grid, Calendar, Kanban, Gallery, and Form. Select the view type that best suits your data visualization needs. For a grid view, click on Grid. To set up a calendar view, choose Calendar and designate a date field from your table. For a Kanban view, select Kanban and choose a field you want to categorize by. If you prefer a gallery view, click Gallery to display your records as cards. Once you have selected a view type, click Create. Now, you can customize your view settings. For a grid view, adjust column widths and arrange fields to your liking. In a calendar view, drag and drop items to different dates as needed. Use filters to narrow down the displayed data in any view. Click on the filter icon and specify the conditions for your filter. You can sort records by various fields to enhance your data organization. For promotional views, utilize color coding to highlight key data points. To do this, click on the color option and set rules based on field values. Take advantage of the grouping feature in Kanban views to classify records. Click on the Group button and select the field for grouping. Remember to save your changes regularly to avoid losing any customizations. If you want to share your views, click on the Share button at the top right corner. Choose the appropriate sharing settings based on your audience needs. Experiment with different view types to find the best ways to present your data. Access additional functionalities through the view options for even more customization. With these steps, your Airtable views can significantly enhance your data visualization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.